Changes in barometric pressure can commonly affect those with rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis, and some professionals will say this is a psychological effect that, when the sun's shining and everything's, beautiful outside, you're not focused on your pains and your ails, but that when things get a bit gloomier, and you don't have as much going on, you're going to focus more on the pain going on. Certainly there are psychological effects with things like this, but I'm not inclined necessarily to say that's all that's going on, and I don't think you are either. So what other scientists say is that there are some physical reasons behind what's going on here. And this is that changes in barometric pressure can cause expansion and contraction of tendons and muscles and bones and scar tissue, which can result in pain in the tissues that are affected by the arthritis. So low temperatures can also be causing thickness of joint fluids, making them stiffer and maybe even more sensitive to pain during movement. So there are very plausible biological explanations for what's going on here. But the question is, what are you going to do about it? From a supplementation perspective, I would look towards the Mariva form of turmeric, of curcumin. That's very bioavailable. It's the phytosomal form, because curcumin and turmeric are notoriously poorly bioavailable. That's why you see them taken traditionally with black pepper, because that it allows it to penetrate a bit better, but that's nowhere near as efficacious as the phytosomal form that you can get in a supplement. CBD would also be a really good thing to look at here, something like a nano-emulsified CBD for optimal absorption and efficacy, and then molecular hydrogen for its anti-inflammatory and very potent selective antioxidant effects would also be something really interesting to think about. Then from a non-supplemental side, outside, I would say stay warm. It's maybe a consideration to think about finding somewhere locally to use an infrared sauna, or maybe getting an infrared sauna to have at home. People with arthritis and chronic pain find tremendous relief, and this is a place that you can go to escape the cold that is descending upon our continent at the moment. And of course, there's just so many other general benefits to it as well. And generally, you want to stay active. And the seemingly contradictory next piece of advice would be to rest. So stay active and rest simultaneously. Just kidding. So be generally active, have regular daily movement, but also make sure that you are in general getting enough rest and quality sleep.